Today I'm going to be reviewing Dr. Cuddles ReadyRESCUE activated charcoal for dogs and cats. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review because I think this is super important to have. I do a lot of camping, so to have something like this where I'm not near a vet, this is something you can give your dog if you believe they've ingested something dangerous like chocolate or anything like that. You're going to get this vial right here. Now, this vial is good for one dog, 30 pounds and under. If they're under 15, you can give them a half a vial. I'm going to put up the dosages that you can get. So if you have a big dog, you're going to need more than one vial. But what you do is you add this to yogurt, peanut butter, food. As soon as you believe they ingested something, you give them the proper dosage. And what it's going to do is it's going to absorb those toxins with this charcoal instead of your dog ingesting this. This is made by a vet. So just to tell you, I'm going to read what they say on how to administer this. Act fast, immediately administer if ingestion of a toxic substance is suspected. ReadyRESCUE is safe even if you determine your pet did not eat anything. That's very important. So better safe than sorry. Administer. Mix the appropriate dose of ReadyRESCUE for your pet's weight with a small amount of yogurt, water, pet food, or a palatable treat to ensure your pet consumes the entire dose. That's important. Investigate toxin. Investigate the ingestion further to determine if your pet ate something toxic. Follow up, determine your pet did consume something toxic. Contact poison control or your vet to determine if additional care is necessary. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.